Meaning of indefatigable.
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 Indefatigable. The term indefatigable refers to a person who is tireless and persistent in carrying out a task or achieving a goal. It is characterized by a relentless determination to keep going, even in the face of obstacles or difficulties. An indefatigable individual is known for their strong work ethic, unwavering commitment, and ability to persevere through challenges without losing motivation. Whether it is in their personal or professional life, such people are admired for their tenacity and consistent dedication to their pursuits, which ultimately leads to greater success and achievement.